And unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lakeside, local and long distance movers near me. You should not be scared of making a long distance move. We at 3 Movers have got you covered. Not only would you be able to get to your destination safely, but we'll also do it without any highway drama. We are affordable and available, ever ready to handle the complexities of a long distance move. We ensure that our clients are comfortable with the help of our friendly and professional movers. All these qualities make us the finest moving firm in Lakeside. We boast an excellent rapport with the federal and state authorities involved in the moving process. What this implies is that our clients get extra security on their properties. We also have insurance policies in place that would protect all parties during and after the move. We also offer local moving services at a rate of $30 to $40 per hour. No matter how complex your move is, we can handle the strains of your move. We can move easily and quickly through bustling cities because of our understanding of the road network and terrain. We do not overstate our capabilities when it comes to local moves. If you need proof, you can ask reviews from our previous clients. They will be satisfactory. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lakeside moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.